Okay, so you should have your math book open and you should be ready to start number 1. The directions say draw and circle to show how you made 10 to help you solve the problem. So number 1 says Maria has 9 snowballs and Tony has 6. How many snowballs do they have in all? Well, first of all, they already did the drawing part for you. So what I want you to do is I want you to figure out if you have 9 snowballs, how many more do you need to take from Tony to make 10? So I know that I need to, let's see if I can write this with you. I know that I need to, I guess I don't have a drawing tool on here. Oh, here it is. So I need to circle the 9 snowballs from Maria and also one more because 9 and 1 make 10. So I would write right here 1, and then I would write 10 right here. Because like the directions say, I drew the picture, or they did it for me, then I circled to show how I made 10 to solve the problem. So if Maria has 9 snowballs and Tony has 6, I circled 9 and 1 more because I want to find out how many they have in all. So did I find out how many they have in all yet? Nope. I only know that 9 and 1 make 10. So after I do 9 and 1 make 10, I need to say, okay, so now I have this 10, but how many snowballs did I not count yet? This one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's still 5 left, so I can't forget about those. So now I have to say 10 and 5, and I know anything plus 10 is simple, right? 10 and 5 make 15. So I know that Tony and Maria have 15 snowballs in all. This is what I want to see on your paper, and this is what yours should look like. Are you ready? Let's go to number 2. Number 2 says, Bob has 9 raisins and Johnny has 4. How many raisins do they have all together? So right now I want you to give me a B for Bob. We always want to label. Draw me 9 circles, nice neat 5 groups. Then give me a J for Johnny and draw 4. Go ahead and pause while you do that. Okay, now I want you to circle. If Bob has 9 raisins, 9 plus how many of Johnny's make a 10? So you're going to write 9 plus how many raisins did you circle from Johnny? And it should have made 10. And then down here, you bring your 10 down. How many raisins are still left in Johnny's that you didn't circle? Write that number here. And then tell me the answer. Bob and Johnny have blank raisins all together. Go ahead and pause if you need more time. Number 3 says, there are 3 chairs on the left side of the classroom and 9 on the right side. How many total chairs are in the classroom? So again, label L for left, draw 3 chairs. Label R for right, draw 9 chairs with nice 5 groups. Circle to show how you made 10. So 9 and how many more made 10? 9 plus blank should equal 10. Then count up how many you didn't circle and add that to your 10 and find your total number of chairs. Go ahead and pause and do that. And then the last one says there are 7 children sitting on the rug and 9 children standing. How many children are there in all? So go ahead and label. You can maybe do R for rug. Draw 7 circles with 5 groups. And then S for standing. Give me 9. Show me 5 groups. 9, because we're going to take our bigger number and make our 10. 9 plus how many of those 7? Give me 10. And then 10 plus whatever's left over. And we should find out how many children there are in all. If you need to listen to this again, do it again. Make sure you showed all of your work. You're going to put your name on the front of your paper, tear this out nicely, and turn it into the blue bin, please. Thank you.